Do you know that you can make ChatGPT write complete copy of Google Ads search campaign, and that too for free of cost? And let me tell you students that it is not as difficult as it seems. As we already know that if you explain something to someone in a simple language, then they understand it and respond accordingly. Similarly, if we explain the required topics, the context, or what we want from the ChatGPT platform in an exact simple way or a simple language, then what will ChatGPT do? ChatGPT will give you the best results from its endless data. ChatGPT is popular and many people use ChatGPT, but because they do not get the results that they desire, and they reduce their usage of ChatGPT, or they continue all the work manually, which is time consuming. So the important thing is that today I will show you practically that how you can get ad copy written for completely free of cost using the ChatGPT platform, and that too in a completely professional way. And I will be showing all of these practically. And I promise you that if you will use these simple methods, then you will never encounter any complications. You will be able to easily use powerful platforms like ChatGPT in a smart way. You will also save time and earn more money. Because this is the Google Ads course with AI. Therefore, our goal in this course is to teach all of you that how can you use the AI in the Google Ads. That too in your day-to-day life. And this is the goal for this course that we want to achieve. And our other goal is to also help you save time and earn more money through this. So stay tuned to this video till the very end. And if you want me to bring another brand new ChatGPT course in 2025 in which I will practically teach you video scripts for Google, Facebook, blogs, as well as YouTube, and studies of many such uses, if you want me to teach you these, so please write ChatGPT course 2025 in the comment section. The more comments there are for ChatGPT course 2025, the sooner this course will come into action, and I promise you for that. So friends, let me show you an amazing video on how to use ChatGPT in a very simple and amazing way today. Let's see how it works. You can see on the computer screen that ChatGPT is open. As you already know that my business provides digital marketing services, and suppose I need to create a search campaign related to my business. So first I will give the prompt. So I want an ad copy for Google Ads search campaign, and my business is digital marketing services. Okay, this is the prompt I gave Google. Now let us wait and see what Google provides us with. Now friends, as you can see here that Google has given me some samples of the ad copies, like some headlines are given. Boost your online presence, top digital marketing service, get results fast. We are given the description such as discover tailored digital marketing solutions. Similarly, we are given 3 such ad copies with headlines and descriptions. Now let me write something. Now I want I want 10 headlines using popular keywords in them for digital marketing service, digital services. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 headlines. In which popular keywords are used? Is this clear? So ChatGPT gave me dominate search engine with SEO experts, unlock higher conversion rates with proven PPC strategies, and now I will copy this search request again. Then I will paste it here. But each headline should not exceed 30 characters. Limit. Okay. Now I have requested for 10 headlines from it. But the limit should not be above 30 characters. It should not exceed that, because you cannot write headlines above 30 characters. Boost your SEO today, maximize PPC success, elevate your brand online, effectively campaign. Look how easy it became. And now you can see that I got the headlines within 30 characters, and if I want ChatGPT to create some more headlines for me, which mentions SEO as well as social media, so in such way I can search and then just within few seconds it will give me great headlines for different digital marketing services, whatever I need. Okay, now I will search. Now I want 10 headlines with USPs. For the same, now let's search. Whether it's headlines or USPs like tailored marketing strategies for you, expert team with proven results, 24/7 support for all clients. Why is it so? When we create Google search ad campaigns, when we add 15 headlines in it, then you might notice in it that in some headlines we use keywords, whereas in some headlines we state the USPs, right? Then we provide excellent support as well. We rank number one. We make sure to do other similar things so that our ad score is good. We want the ad score that we get to be excellent. So ad strength is good until now. We have worked on the headlines, and in just a few seconds we have extracted popular headlines with keywords and USPs. What do we need next after the headlines? I will search that. Now provide me 5 descriptions for the same. I searched for 5 descriptions because I'll also need it after headlines. So it is providing me with the descriptions, okay? And now let's say that whenever you copy and paste a description, you see that its character limit is exceeding 90 characters or whatever the description's limit is. Then you can search it here that you need it up to certain amount of characters, and it will give you that many characters. So ChatGPT gave us excellent copywriting, and if more are needed, we can search. Now that descriptions are given, it also requires long headlines. Please provide me long headlines. Provide me 5 long headlines for the same. Okay, all right. Now I require 5 long headlines. So let's see what result comes up. So you can see, friends, that we are given some great long headlines. Now I'm doing everything step by step. I've got the headlines as well as the descriptions. We also got long headlines. What do we need next? Now, as you might already know, that we created extensions like site link extensions, and we create call out, and we also create others. What do we do in this? And remember that it is no longer called as ad extensions. It's now called as ad assets. If you remember, I have taught this earlier in the course. There's habit of calling it as ad extensions. Now provide me 4 site link ad assets for the same campaign. Now I have searched up for the 4 site assets here. Okay. So I am given SEO services, PPC management, content and social media marketing. Let me give example. That let's assume that instead of content marketing, I need something else. Suppose that it is Instagram marketing that I want here. So what will I do? I will ask it to create site links based on Instagram marketing, right? Then ChatGPT will create it. Then it will also provide you with the site link description, and after that, whatever URL you want to use, you can add that URL. I will search another thing. Now provide me 2. Call out, add assets for the same. Okay, we are given the site link, so let's search for call out as well. We are given expert strategies for every business, free consultation for custom solutions. 2 call out assets are given, and if I need more details I can also ask that up to whatever amount of characters. Now you can see what I have practically done here. I have only invested less time. If I spend half an hour properly and if I practice this regularly, if this is what my job is about, if I am Google Ads expert or Facebook ad expert who creates campaigns all time, then I can complete this work masterfully with an ease, and I will also gain so much of experience with prompts while doing this. But you might have noticed one thing in this whole process. First is that whatever you have seen on other sites and URLs, all the prompts for these sites are provided by Google platform itself. Sorry, they ask ChatGPT to write prompt and then use it later. Right? You should do this work. You're the expert in the field you're working in. Therefore, you should be the one to explain it correctly to the ChatGPT, shouldn't you? That what are your requirements from ChatGPT? You will have to share all the details to ChatGPT about what your requirements. You have to provide the logic as well as the context and what you don't want. Clear? And there's another thing. Don't expect that since you wrote one long paragraph or the prompt all at once and that the result will come all at once as well, okay? Everything will be messed up and you will neither get those results, nor will you be able to make changes to it even if you want to edit and make any changes in it. So as you see, I only gave small and easy prompts and my work got done. And if there is something which is lacking or I didn't get the desired result, since I am doing everything in small pieces or steps, then I can easily tweak it, redo it and make it easier. Friends, you can see that how easy it is to create the ad copies of the Google ads. Our productivity will increase in this way. We'll be able to create multiple campaigns. We'll have time for research, R&D, and we can explore many ideas. I hope you understood it well. Please let me know in the comment section how you liked this video. Thank you.